हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लाइफ टॉक्स बाय रुखसाना। आज हम जिनसे मिलने वाले हैं, शी इज नॉट ओनली अ ज्वेलरी डिजाइनर बट ऑल्सो अ सिंगर। यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट, शी इज अ सिंगर एंड हर नेम इज भावना दवे दादान। So I'm really obliged and very happy to get her at this place on Life Talks by Rukhsana. So thank you very much, Bhavna, at last आने के लिए
thank you for inviting me
on this show.
My pleasure.
So the pleasure is all mine because हम काफी टाइम से सोच रहे थे इस चीज को happen करने के लिए and at last वो हो गया, it happened. So let us talk about womanhood. Like you know, हम women और हमारी priorities. Okay, you have a very different stance of it. जो मैंने जितना I have known you from so many years, you look at it in a very different way. That is what I love about you. Like, so let us start. I'm sure तूने भी वो काफी चीजें फेस की होगी जो एक वुमेन को फेस करनी होती है. प्रायोरिटीज चेंज हुई होगी. So just tell us about your backstory and how do you start with your life?
Firstly, I've done my BCom.
Okay.
I'm graduate in BCom, but that is not my passion. I did it because a certificate is necessary to do anything. Okay. After which, I did my jewelry designing course because I was always creative and I would always want to do something that involves creativity.
Yes.
So I did my jewelry designing course from SNVT and then JPDC.
Oh wow.
So my message to everyone is, you must follow your passion. Okay, if you're following your passion, all the doors will open for you by itself. So coming next is, before I could even complete my designing course, I got a job in Seeps.
Wow.
Seeps is a place where you have a lot of factories where I could work as a jewelry designer.
Okay.
I got the job. I had to tell them, wait, मेरा course खत्म होने दो. Then I will join. I joined.
Okay, she was already wanted there.
After joining, within a week, they asked me, do you have passport? We have a jewelry show coming up in Las Vegas, so you need to travel. I didn't have my passport ready. I made it. So within a month, I went to Las Vegas to attend the jewelry show.
Oh my God! Wow, that's amazing. I did not know about it.
Even I was not so sure that I would do so well in my career. After that show, within 6 months, I got another job offer with higher salary
Okay.
and better job profile. I took that. Over there also, they said, next show you're going.
Wow.
Because it's people's dream to go to US at that point of time.
Exactly.
And I was going back to back. So, point is that if you're following your passion, you will excel in whatever field you do.
Amazing. That's amazing. We did not know all this about you. Okay, so how does womanhood come into all this? You tell me. Like, you know,
Womanhood,
the life happens.
Yeah,
you get married.
Every woman had a dream at that point of time to get married, to have a kid, to have a settled family, and also to work a career. Abhi, nowadays, girls' mindset is different. They want to pursue career first. They want to be independent.
Yeah.
But my mom taught me at that point of time that you have to be independent.
Independent. Wow, that's amazing.
That's why she forced me to do a graduation course, which I was not interested, but I still did it and I don't regret it.
Okay.
Because I have a certificate now. So, womanhood is for every woman, you know, life partner हो, शादी हो, बच्चा हो, job हो, financially independent हो, everything.
Yes.
So for me also it was the same. So I met my husband. It was a love marriage. It is intercaste marriage.
Yes.
And it was a big thing at that point of time. Yes. But it succeeded. So I am Guju Brahmin, married to Muslim.
Muslim, right.
By the family, everything was very good. Everything went well.
Yes.
So after getting married, I had a child. Up till then I was working. And I was very happy. And I was crossing levels. And I was succeeding.
Yeah.
But there was a point I wanted to leave job.
Okay.
Because it was taking so much of my time. And I didn't want to miss out seeing my child growing.
Yes. So then your motherly instinct came out.
I wanted to see his first steps, his first words.
Yeah.
So I took a break. Okay. I told my husband I don't want to work for a while.
Wow. But you've been working from the start, right?
From the start.
So that was a very big decision that you
took. Very big decision. It was very big decision for me.
Okay, but you enjoyed the whole process?
I
the whole
thoroughly enjoyed it.
yes,
Because
you still enjoy it. With
for me,
Adanda.
it is about perfection. Anything I do, I want to do it with perfection. So if I became a mother, I wanted to become perfect mother.
Okay.
I want to raise my child exactly the way I want. And I'm so happy that I took a break.
Yeah. But once you take a break and बहुत सारे सालों से हम जो कर रहे हैं और फिर जब हम उसको अचानक में रोक देते हैं, so there is a time of frustration जहाँ पे we ourselves start blaming अपने आप को कि मैं ऐसा भी कर सकती थी, मैं वैसा भी डिसीजन ले सकती थी, and then there is negativity coming in there, right? How did you deal with all? I'm sure you must have had that because you were a working woman. You worked after marriage also, after having Ayan also,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So once you stopped and then you had a lot of time in your hand, what happened next?
See,
From
me,
that phase to having Ivy. Ivy is a jewelry brand. It's Ivy Jewelries. So till having
Ivy
that,
Jewels, yeah.
Ivy Jewels. Okay. So till that, वहाँ तक पहुँचने पे, what was your process?
Yeah, first 6 years of my break I enjoyed because my kid was still small. Once he was in grade 1, I had a lot of time because whole day he would be in school. So I thought what to do next.
Yes.
I can do a business because then I have time for my house, kid and work. Full-time job was not an option for me. So I thought of creating my jewelry brand on a very small scale. I thought of a name. I designed my visiting cards. I designed my packaging.
Wow.
And I created my own line of jewelry.
Brand. Right.
Yeah. And then I thought of putting up an exhibition.
Okay.
There are a lot of exhibitions going on.
Yeah.
So then I had a success again because my stall would look very nice and colorful. All the designs are made by me. So each piece is unique. You will not find the same piece in the market at that price also because my price points would also be low.
Okay. As compared to
Yeah,
others.
so that people can afford it, the sales is more.
Yeah.
So both are benefited.
Yes. But I'm sure ये वैसे नहीं था. It mustn't have started
so easily.
जैसे you are showing it is not that easy.
It is not
so
that
just give us a glimpse के how did you prepare yourself? What was your research and all that? Did you start selling or making your brand first and then start selling, or did you sell for other people also?
First I sold. I
Okay.
thought let me give it a try. So what happened, one fine day I went to Hirapanna shopping center to shop.
Okay.
And I saw beautiful jewelry there. In just one store, there were so many good designs. So, since I had stopped working, in my account there were some 30,000.
Okay.
So, I swiped my debit card of 28,000. I bought the jewelry.
Okay.
And I started showing to people that how about me start selling jewelry.
Okay.
Because designing and making and selling would cost a lot. And
Yes,
I didn't have that
precisely.
kind of money that time. So people liked it because I have an eye to look for a designer stuff. So that 28,000 ka stuff I sold for 40,000.
Wow, that's
Everything
amazing.
was sold. Everything was
That's
sold.
amazing.
I wanted to keep few pieces for myself, but everyone bought it. I was happy. Okay, good. Then I had 12,000 to start my business with. So of course I could borrow money, I could take a loan, I could ask my husband, but I didn't want anybody's help. I thought let me start it my way with whatever little money I have.
Exactly, precisely.
So I thought of making some beaded jewelry. Because in my childhood I had done a jewelry making course with beads. So I thought let me start again. So I went to Paiduni, I bought beads worth 10,000. धागा सुई सब लेके मैंने पूरा मेरा लाइन बनाया खुद बैठ के.
Wow.
Okay. वो वापस सबको दिखाया, वही मेरे क्लाइंट्स को. फ्रेंड्स है जो क्लाइंट बन गए अभी.
Exactly.
अभी ये मैंने खुद बनाया है.
हाँ.
Again, everything was sold.
Wow, that's amazing.
Almost everything was sold because again designs are different. The price point is good. I have made it my handmade jewelry.
Yes.
So then I thought, let me go to a next level. Now I will put up a stall in an exhibition.
Okay.
So for that, I need some good amount of jewelry.
Yeah.
Then again, I had some 15,000-20,000 in my hand. उसका मैंने stock बनाया.
हाँ.
And I put up my exhibition in Navi Mumbai.
Wow.
And
yes,
went
all your
very
exhibitions are mind blowing.
Yeah.
They really are amazing. The stuff, the jewelry, everything. And you made it seem so simple, but the process, you went through the process.
I went through
100%.
process, yes.
And then you had your own research, you had your own way of doing things,
Right.
and then you had your creativity. Bhavna, if this point is so important, I want to, press on this point, कि सिर्फ कुछ लिया, कुछ बेच दिया, that will never make you go that level far. You have to have your creativity, and that is where your passion and creativity came into the picture when you made the brand of Ivy Jewelry.
Right.
But was Ivy Jewelry or Ivy Jewels success at first?
At first, it was a failure, I would say.
Okay, so we have to
Let
come
me
up
come
to
to
this.
that. Let
Yes,
me come to
that's
that.
very important. That is the part we want to hear. So,
Yeah, see, before all these things started, I had a friend who had a silver CZ jewelry stock that he wanted to sell.
okay,
So my brand was created. My jewelry was not made. With
okay,
jewelry.
okay.
I still didn't know how to go about it. So he offered me, let's put up a stall. Renaissance Hotel है वहाँ पे. There was an exhibition. So I bought a stall worth 25,000
Okay.
for one day.
Oh,
I was not experienced, so I was given last wala stall.
oh.
Plus, I didn't know how to sell anything. I was not so confident about selling anything. So I had beautiful jewelry. The price point was good, but my total sales for the day was 500 rupees.
Oh,
That too, my friend's aunt came and she bought something.
oh, oh.
So it was a total failure. I was so frustrated that my stuff is good, the price is good. It was in Renaissance Hotel. The footfall was good. There were so many ladies. Their bags were full of money, and they didn't buy from me. Why?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
So
So what happened?
I realized that I was just standing behind the counter. I wasn't talking to people.
Okay.
I was very shy. I would wait for people to come to my stall, ask me, and then nobody would come and ask you what are you selling. They would just have a glance and go.
Okay.
So I went to another exhibitions. I started doing research how people are selling.
Okay.
So I saw the women, the owners are just standing out. They're calling people. They're talking about their stuff, and that's how the sales are happening.
Okay.
So next exhibition, I participated. I had my own line of jewelry. I was more confident about my product. I stood out. I had my friend who stood inside to sell.
Okay.
I would call everyone inside, talk about my jewelry, my brand, and it did a great sales.
Wow.
Great sales.
That's
I had a
amazing.
good amount of profit.
But I'm really going to, commend you. You are very commendable. Like accepting your mistake in front of the camera. That's amazing. How do you do that? Like, you analyze yourself so quickly कि ठीक है यार, अच्छा ये गलती मैंने की. And then you mended that. How many people don't know what to do? Like, they'll be just into that depression zone में ही निकल जाएगा. अरे मैं फर्स्ट में ही फेल हो गई. फिर मेरे को प्रेशर है, अरे मैंने किसी का कुछ लिया है या किसी को मुझे देना है. But you don't give up so fast.
No,
You
I've
don't.
learned it from my mother.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
She was a very strong woman, so I follow her footsteps. Whatever situation you are in, you can come out of it, and only you know the way. You can find the way.
That's a very big message that she's providing. Only you can do it. So please watch out and do it. Please do it. So when we talk about your mother, there is always a woman power, right? But when we lose that woman power, when that support is gone, and when there is, see, every strong woman has that point where you just give up. Did that point come to you?
No, no.
Never. Like you don't give up in zones. And what about when you lose someone? There are so many strong women when they cut off with a relationship or when they lose a relationship. Okay, there can be a mourning period. There can be a depression point. Then you have to get back.
Right.
You have to come into the reality, right?
Yeah, that took me very long.
Okay, that was after your mother's.
After my mother passed away, within 3 years I lost my grandma, whom I was very attached with. After 2 years I lost my dad. So those 5 to 6 years was very tough for me. Very tough for me. Because I was the youngest child. I was attached to all of them. But then again I realized I have to come out of this. For how many years will I sit and moan over it?
Exactly.
So there came in picture my friend, our friend Aparna.
Oh,
So
wow.
big thanks to you. Because of her I found singing.
Oh yes, so we come to the singing part of
Singing
it.
part,
We
yeah.
become the singer. Oh my God,
Yeah,
Aparna is our friend. Aparna Negi. She's also one of our friends in the circle, and she's also a very good singer. And I did not know about the healing happening through music.
I
Can you
healed
just hear
through
this
music.
story?
Yes. So Aparna told me that, Bhavna, do you sing? I said, I sing on karaoke at
Yeah.
my brother's place and for fun. I'm not a singer. She said, no problem. We, like you, we are hobby singers. We have a group called Sur Sangam.
Okay.
Why don't you come there just for once and see if you like, you may join in.
Okay.
For 3 months, she kept calling me. I didn't go with the fear that how will I sing? I'm not a good singer.
Yes.
One fine day, I thought, let me go and see what it is.
Yeah.
So I went there and I sang very average because I was not trained then.
Yeah, the first time,
I
like
didn't
you know,
have
first experience.
Yeah,
Yeah,
first singing
right.
in front of audience was a big thing. So I sang whatever I sang. I don't care about that. But those 3 hours where I heard good music, people singing their heart out and saw them happy made me happy.
Okay.
I said I'm joining.
Wow,
And music
that's lovely.
healed me. Music totally healed me. I was out of that phase of depression, losing my parents through music.
Wow, that's
Then again,
amazing.
because it was my passion, I discovered it at that age. That
Oh.
singing is also my passion. You know, singing gets me so much of happiness.
Wow, that's amazing. So, what, like, at that age when you started singing, were there any comments or were there any
Yeah.
people? Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, yes.
You know, I would
you
post
have
my videos on Facebook and people would ask me, personal may, that you sing so average and not good. Why do you even post your videos? So I told
Oh my
them,
God,
so I
seriously?
told them I post for my own
happiness. Yeah.
because after a few years I will watch that where have I improved.
Right, right.
And I didn't care about any of that. I have so many friends, you know, who says hats off to you, Bhavna. After hearing so many negative comments also, you didn't leave singing. Why should I leave singing? Because other people are commenting on my singing. I don't sing to impress them.
Wow.
We are
that's
hobby singers, so we sing to please ourselves.
Okay.
To heal ourselves.
I had just heard, you know, that people do send negative comments on celebrities हो या कुछ हो
Yeah.
उन पे डालते हैं, but normally also negative comments आते हैं और
Yeah, of course, not on social media.
personally
लेकिन
personally
में,
तो
हाँ,
इतना बड़ा वो
फोन
hit
करके
है
भी
वो.
बोलते थे कि why do you post your videos? Don't post.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
So after some time, I got irritated with those comments and I stopped posting videos. And I thought, let me now learn,
हाँ.
and then I will post my videos. Then I joined Hindustani classical singing.
Oh my God.
I learned it for a short while. फिर तो लॉकडाउन लग गया तो ब्रेक
हाँ.
हो गया. But yeah, that teacher is very good. Sangeeta ma'am, she taught me few things, and I started doing riyaz. I started working on my voice, and I learned a lot of things. After that, I posted one video. You can go to my Facebook.
Yes, of course. I follow you. I listen to your
So
music.
there I got so many positive comments and I was so happy. Now I have achieved something. Now people are also liking. I always like my singing.
Oh wow.
Whatever it was, bad or good. But now people also like it.
So friends, there's an important message that you need to learn from this woman, that she made all the negativity into positive. Right?
Yes.
Like when you got the negative comments, you did not take it as a personal thing,
Yeah.
but you improved. Like that is a really jhapad.
I had to improve.
To everybody, like ठीक है तुमको गाना नहीं पसंद है, अब मैं और बेसुरा गा सीख कर दिखाऊंगी और तुमको बकाऊंगी.
और अभी सीखना है और बहुत
Yeah,
कुछ सीखना है.
but comment, hats off to you, really. I did not know, like, you know, all these things were happening behind, and so much is there. That is why you feel like to be a very strong woman always. I think you were the first person I called up. She was the first person, audiences, I had called up to have or start
Yes.
with Come On Life Talks by Ruxana, and somehow she was out, she was traveling, she lived her life to the fullest. She was in Maldives, she was enjoying herself. So I was like, okay, you take your break and then we can come back and then we can do it. And I was so happy, like, you know, she's always herself. You know, like, you know, and even if you don't know, you create your ways.
I take each day as it comes. You know, morning I have a plan.
हाँ
5 बजे तक तो घर का काम करना ऑफकोर्स मेड है बट सब
मैनेज करना है या लाइक
I have 3 cats, I have a son to look after, I have kitchen, घर है साफ रखना है, सब कुछ 5 बजे तक कर लो, then 5 to 9 is my time.
Wow,
I go out, sing, I meet my friends, we go clubbing at times, late night भी होता है once in a while. But every day का मेरा entertainment plan होता है.
Wow,
because one more message to everyone, I have to give time to your own self.
Yes, the me time.
Yeah, me time.
Your
me time is very
best.
important, very important.
भले उसमें तुम कुछ नहीं करो.
If you like to laze around, watch TV, do that. But me time is very important.
Yes, absolutely. I agree with it. So we talking about me time. Okay, कुछ भी करना है, right? But today in your me time, मैंने जिस तेरा me time चुराया है और मैं चाहती हूँ as a small token of love, I want a song from you. I know it's instant and I did not want to tell you पहले कि you're going to sing on my show, but I wanted something very instant. तो मुझे एक song चाहिए मेरे viewers को. She sings very nicely और of course yes you do sing very nicely. तो I want that on my show. तो एक गाना मुझ पे एक गाना गा ले.
Let's sing an inspirational song.
अरे of course that. Oh my God, that's going to be lovely.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
So that is, you never stop walking.
Surely. I'll take this as a compliment. I am not going to stop because there are so many stories and so powerful women we are going to meet on this channel.
We inspire each other.
Yes,
we
that's
as a
the
woman
best.
Need to lift each other up.
Exactly, and
that
not
is put each other down.
Precisely, like you know, and we can do that. We have that power, right?
Yes.
We can do
we
that.
Have woman power, which we can use positively.
Yeah. I love the way she just, you have that power of creating things, creating magic in your words also. My God, and I'm amazed. I'm really happy you made time and you came here.
Thank you so much for calling.
But I would really love to have one more thing. Since you gave us a very sweet token, I'm not going to stop. हम भी आपको कुछ देना चाहते हैं. So just one thing. So dear.
Wow. That's something that I didn't expect.
As a thank you note कि तू यहाँ पर आई, time निकाला, इतने busy schedule से अपने. This is just a small token which is from Life Talks by Ruxana.
Wow.
And it says, to the woman who made it happen, the womanhood, the career, a mother, a wife, and everything, and still you are here with your own passion, and you follow it so passionately.
Yes.
Right? So this is just a small token
Thank you
from
so
us,
much.
from
Thank
Life
you
Talks
so
by Ruxana.